Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Luna price update, and the current price for Luna is at the $54 mark, and from the all-time high the market is down by 47%. And what I have on the screen is the daily chart, and from this daily chart there are key supports that I need to mention that you need to continue observing. The support at the $37 mark, another one at the $51 mark. We also have a key resistance at the $64 mark and the $88 mark. And this support that we have on the $51 mark, you can see previously here this support gave us, we held this support and we were able to break to the upside and made it to an all-time high. And after that the market has been on a downtrend that is over here, and you can also see there's this descending channel that we have over here, which has been well respected with more than 2 touch points. And the price was at some time was trading within this channel, and then we broke to the upside. And once we broke to the upside, we also broke above this support, the resistance that we had over here. And one of the key scenarios that I mentioned in my earlier videos was that we are going to break this channel, break this resistance, and continue having higher prices to the upside and maybe touch the $65 mark. And once that happens, we could then have a pullback to the downside. So that was one case scenario that I mentioned earlier, and that move has been playing out a little bit, though we have not yet managed to reach the $63 mark. And also using the Elliott wave pattern, which is over here, having my wave 1 over here, a wave 1, a wave 2, then a wave 3 to this point over here, and then a wave 4. And this wave 4 I expect it to maybe reach the $60 mark or the $59 mark. That's the point that I expect it to hit, and then we can have our wave 5 to the downside. So this is one key likely move that I expect to play out on this chart. So that means I expect even lower prices for Luna. And looking on the volume chart here, you can see we don't have high volumes to continue pushing the market to the upside. That can be a fact that I can base this argument on, the Elliott wave, where I have my wave 5 to the downside and maybe touch the $35 mark. And once that happens, then we can have a pump to the upside and maybe make an all-time high. Also, the other case scenario that I expect to see on this chart is that if Bitcoin is unable to continue pumping its price to the upside, we can have lower prices and maybe touch this support that we have over here and break down that support. And if that happens, have a retest of this support and then continue having higher lower prices, and that will be in a wave 5 that I've said in my Elliott wave. So that's how those are my key expectations on the Luna chart. Also looking on the RSI, we are almost in the overbought region, so basing on what I have on the RSI, maybe we can continue having higher prices and reach the $60 mark, so that we are almost in the overbought region. Then once we are in the overbought region, have a pullback to the downside in our wave 5 using the Elliott wave. So those are the key scenarios. And note, whatever I've said is not financial advice, so don't buy, hold, or sell any crypto without doing your own research and analysis. And I'll keep you updated, so make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. That's all.